Hello and welcome to bookmyhouse.com, India's largest realty e-com portal. I'm Shevya and today we are going to focus on the much talked about Dwarka Expressway, which is now back on track. Northern Peripheral Road, is also known as Dwarka Expressway, is a Gurgaon's rapidly developing residential belt. We will update you today on how it's going to solve traffic and infrastructure issues and how it's going to impact our real estate market. We will inform you about the best residential developments, ready-to-move apartments, under construction and upcoming developments on Dwarka Expressway. Dwarka and Gurgaon are known for the hottest property market in NCR. Dwarka Expressway has disappointed many before due to land acquisition issues and delays in the project's delivery. But the latest news is that Punjab and Haryana High Court has paved the way for speedy construction of road, which was already delayed by 7 years. So here is a big relief for investors, developers and the home buyers. Let's talk about the more details. Dwarka Expressway is 18 kilometers long and 150 meters wide, which run in a smooth parabola from near Khidki Daula on NH8 to Dwarka. This stretch has been planned as an alternate link road other than Golf Course Road between Delhi and Gurgaon. With the total 8 lanes expressway, the main aim is to provide smooth route to the commuters. As per reports, the road from Dwarka is expected to reduce the travel time from West Delhi by minimum 40%. Now it will be a congestion-free ride between Delhi, Gurgaon and Manesar. Dwarka Expressway has booming advantage on the connectivity as Delhi is at small driving distance. Indira Gandhi International Airport is few minutes drive. The existing metro line will be easily accessible. New metro corridor is also coming up and proposed 18 course golf course will be another plus to this development. Starting from sector 110A, 111, 112 and sector 113, Dwarka Expressway runs through sector 99, 99A, 100 and then converges to with NH8 close to Manesar, where it connects sector 81 to sector 95 of the new Gurgaon region. Developments under this belt will be touching skies like foreign cities. According to transit-oriented development policy, here the floor area ratio will increase and the projects that had 30 to 35 floors now will have 50 to 60 floors in future. It will be better than old Gurgaon. This city may look like New York and Manhattan in near future. Looking from every perspective, the best developers of India have their well-planned and luxurious projects here. Good connectivity, infrastructure and modern world-class development to beautiful landscapes. Northern Peripheral Road has it all. This will be a development that NCR and Delhi must be looking forward to. Along the route of Dwarka Expressway, there are options like DLF, Vatika Group, SS Group, Bestech, Say Homes to name a few. They are bringing around 88 projects in sector 81 to 95 in New Gurgaon. On the Delhi side of expressway covering sector 99 to 115, there are as many as 46 developers offering 91 residential projects from leading brands like ATS Group, Puri Constructions, Sobha Group and Raheja Developers. If you are looking to live in future, you can have plenty of options and rewards for investing here. Dwarka Expressway is a suitable destination for a well-planned city. The investor community is seeing the area around Dwarka Expressway as a serious investment opportunity. Early investments have shown excellent growth and with the expressway heading towards completion, investor interest is very positive. Home seekers and buyers get diverse mix of residential concepts, options like 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK as well as villas, penthouses, independent floors, golf-themed homes are also available here. In ready-to-move section, we have Vatika Gurgaon 21, Mahindra Aura, Vatika Lifestyle Homes, Raheja Atharva and Raheja Navodaya. But if you are looking for the affordable homes in Dwarka Expressway, then Book My House will recommend Raheja Navodaya. If price is not a constraint, then your next address could be a Sobhas International City, which is a beautifully designed and developed luxury homes with base price of Rs 36.9 crores. For those who dream to live amid international lifestyle, your search ends here. Extravision comfort and luxury is everyone's choice. We are talking about an under construction projects like Bestec Park, View Grand Spa, Park Villas, Tata Gateway and apartments to choose from 3 BHK to 4 BHK starting from 1.27 crores to 2.5 crores. With all this information, we hope it would help you decide your next luxury address. For more information, log on to www.bookmyhouse.com and we will love to hear from you for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for being with us. Goodbye and we'll see you on next video of bookmyhouse.com.